It's Tim and Tammy time, and today we're in Thomaston, Georgia. Y'all please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
we love y'all.
Celebrating 200 years of beautiful Thomaston Upson. This is the new mural that we were given a heads up on. So y'all, this is a new mural in Thomaston. You know what? It's got the old theater on it. Let me go a little bit closer. We got the big picture. Now let's move up. See the hotel. The red building right there is the hotel. You got the courthouse. And then, here we go. We got the theater. And evidently something to do with B.F. Goodrich and Singer. Goodrich tires and Singer sewing machines. All right.
Oh, good. You get to press a button.
Oh, press a button.
It's working.
I'm sure it is. It's Saturday morning, so. Okay. Let's back up just a little bit, and there's a police officer coming with his lights on. This clock over here says 10:20, but the one on top of the courthouse says 11:20. And you know what? Courthouse is right. This clock down over here is an hour behind, and we can walk. And I think we came this direction first because we knew it was headed toward the theater.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I bet you. Started saying you think it. No, because that's what it's at. Never mind.
That's a different one.
That's a different one.
Look at here, y'all. There's an old Coke machine in there behind the carousel pony. And there's more carousel ponies here. Two more. And yeah.
$10. No, it's $5 a piece.
Oh, y'all look.
Oh, look at the movie that's being showed right now.
Excalibur.
That's an old movie.
I got to step up in here. Star Trek, the motion picture.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this floor. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Box office. Y'all, this is cool. Now we got to go up and look at the ceiling, y'all, because watch this. And it's got the sign lit up. Look at that ceiling up there. Oh my goodness gracious. This theater equipped with Dolby Digital.
What?
Dolby Digital.
Oh.
And Hollywood movie money is accepted here. Don't know what that is. Wow. I'm blown away. You just gotta love it. I mean, you just got to love it.
Well, come here.
Oh, wow. April 17th is
the Ritz Film Awards.
Oh, okay. And then right here next door is the Ritz Theater. This theater was established in 1927, y'all, and this is the Ritz Cafe. And it's got an old soda fountain in there. I love the floor in there too. Oh, I see Sally Fields, and I see Olivia Newton-John, and I see a Wurlitzer jukebox in there. I'd love to go in there. Okay, now the last time we came here, and we did come here once before, and we did film it, and I'll see if I can link to it. This thing was full of
old vehicles,
of old cars, y'all. Seriously old cars. They even had little toy cars set up here along the edge. It was really cool. There is a Coca-Cola mural up on the top of that sign above the English Cafe. This bell, cast in 1854, hung in the steeples of two different buildings from 1854 until 1927. For 73 years, it invited the community to worship and rallied the citizens to fight fires. It remained in storage from 1927 until recently, except when displayed in the church from 75 to 92, being rung on special occasions. Coca-Cola, drink Coca-Cola in downtown Thomaston. I like that mural right there.
You know, the problem with the Coca-Cola mural, I don't think there's a way to really get to see it that good.
There's not. It's in a bad spot, but it's all right. Y'all, I love walking around the square in a small Georgia town. Established 1929, y'all. I think we do.
Yeah, see some of the stuff from here, but you can't see it.
Oh, not good enough, no. Oh, there's a pizza place. Pizza, drinks, friends.
Pizzeria.
Huh.
Jim Cat, Warren Parker.
And I thought, oh, Confederate Railroad. Them fellas is getting old. Confederate Railroad was big in the early 90s. I saw them at the Oak Mountain Amphitheater in Birmingham, Alabama. Ooh-wee. Y'all know we're going to look up the stairs. There's a sign on the wall in there, y'all. I can't read it from here. Oh, Mexican restaurant. You want to go in there?
I think there's something missing here.
Yeah, the whole front of the store's gone. Cool. Look at that wall.
I have a feeling they're going to...
I think they're working on it.
They're either going to tear this down or they're going to... Because the entrances are right there, but... There's another mural down there.
Yeah, I know. There is a ghost sign up here, but I can't read it, y'all. I'll just put it up so you can, maybe you can see it a little bit, but I don't know how good.
There you go.
One time at 11:30. Stick around for 30 minutes, and we'll get 12 of those. No, they moved. This is hair on the square.
Hair on the square. Why would...
I mean, really, cool. And this is a bank as well, but it looks pretty. I imagine the old bank is under there and it's just been re-bricked. Let's look down this side over here. There's Ridge Creek Fudge. Ooh, something smells good. I need to go eat something.
Ridge Creek Fudge.
Thomaston, Georgia. Founded in 1910, O.W. Jones & Son was an institution for over half a century, selling anything from livestock to washing machines. It was a peaceful place where everyone met and everyone heard the latest gossip. Many characters passed through these doors, and it was here that the good folks of Thomaston felt a true sense of community. So that's a picture of the O.W. Jones & Sons hardware.
Cross?
Nope, ready to go back, eat Mexican food.
Oh, you really?
All right, y'all. As with any good small town, Thomaston, Georgia, on the square's got a Mexican restaurant. So guess what Tim and Tammy are doing? Yeah, I don't know if you can see this or not, but we're fixing to order and eat at Sabrosos. Sabrosos? All right, I'll show you what we get in just a minute. What?
Thank you.
Thank you. There you go. The perfect trio: chip, salsa, and cheese dip. We're trying the salsa. Yes, I salted it because salsa needs salt. Let's see how it is. Salsa's good. Cheese good.
Yeah, the sauce too. The salsa too.
How about your Coke?
Yeah.
Now there's something about a Mexican restaurant. Cokes are better than a Mexican restaurant. Just my opinion. All right. You got Jose's special, right? And that is grilled chicken and onions with soft shell tortillas and some beans and rice. And he added cheese, of course. Then y'all, I done been eating. I mean, I'm halfway through. I got an enchilada, rice and beans, but I do still have my taco over here. But at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and declare it good. All right, y'all. I did pretty good. Just go ahead and tell you right now. It's very good. I enjoyed it very much. So if you're in Thomaston, you're on the square, stop in at the Mexican restaurant. El Sabrosos.
Go outside and read the sign.
I'll go outside and read the sign in a
Do
minute.
that outside.
Okay, we'll do that outside. Oh, Tim wants me to quit doing this. So we ate at Sabrosos. And that was established in 2020, and they say a yummy Mexican restaurant. And y'all, love that building.
Go ahead.
This has been our adventure in Thomaston, Georgia. We're walking around the square. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
We love y'all.